Welcome back in the kitchen one more time with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. Today we want to show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely, simple stewed chicken at home. Amazing stewed chicken, lovely, nice. Go with some rice, and I know you will love it. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching my cooking program one more time again with Chef Ricardo. Go global with it, guys. Let's enjoy it and leave your comments, and see you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back again, guys. I'm gonna say to you, as I said before in the video, today we want to show you can make yourself some stewed chicken at home. Very easy and simple. Little twist inside of it, but I know it will come out the perfect way you guys want it. Inside of my big bowl, I just washed off some chicken. This is 1 kilo of chicken. Would be working out to a pound of chicken back in any other country. Basically, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can marinate it and how you can cook it and how you can serve it with some plain rice. Right here, I have some season. I have some all-purpose season, chicken season, and chicken spice and paprika. I'm not gonna use too much of these kind of season. I'm gonna use some natural season with it, guys, like some. So right here, guys, as you can see, that's my chicken ready, done, and dusted. And I'm gonna show you how you can marinate it by simple. Do a thing like this. Chicken spice. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, teaspoon of chicken spice, and a teaspoon of paprika. I'm using a teaspoon. So let's pour the rest inside of it just like this. Basically, I have some white onion, and I'm gonna simply just cut up some white onion inside of it, just like that, guys. Hopefully you guys will love this one, because all the time I keep doing brown stewed chicken, guys, because a lot of people don't know that stewed chicken and brown stewed chicken is two different things, guys, and we have to know that. All right, so as you can see, that's the meat. I'm starting to marinate it right now, just to get it the way you guys want it to be. So we have to marinate it the right and proper way. All right, so let's go into business with this chicken today, because I want you guys to recognize exactly what Chef Ricardo been all about with this chicken. All right, so chicken is marinated. All right, and as you can see, looking lovely and nice. Lovely. So I got some sweet chili sauce. Look at this, guys. You can do this at home. Back in Jamaica, we want to cook our chicken like this. Alright, we want to cook it like this. And we're gonna simply put a teaspoon of honey, and then some browning. Alright, this is a teaspoon of browning, guys, and hopefully you will love it. So, and I know it's just totally different. Then we're gonna put some vegetable oil, teaspoon of vegetable oil, and a spoon of ketchup, give it a nice little rub. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. So simple, put down this for 2 hours and come back. After you come back, then you can fry it off. Nice and lovely. So, right here, I just finished marinating meat 2 hours ago. Now I got a medium-sized frying pan on the stove. Really hot. Ready for the chicken. But before we put in the chicken, what we need to do first, we're gonna need to do first, guys. To be honest, we need to do this first, yeah? Little bit of garlic and a little bit of white onion. Saute this into the pot first. Then get the chicken and put it in straight away. Straight away. Everything. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, guys, this is the stewed chicken we're talking about. Yeah, turn on your stove a little bit and make it spring some water by itself. Alright? Lovely and nice. Nice and lovely. So right here, guys, I just want to simply say to you, I got one medium-sized carrot and a medium-sized potato, half of a mixed pepper, spring onion, and some more garlic and white onion inside of this bowl right here. So the stew. So right here, guys, the stewed chicken is on. I just cut up some veg for it. I chopped 2 tomatoes to put inside of it also. So basically, we're gonna put the camera right back inside of the pot to see exactly what's going on in the pot. Nice and lovely. So that's what you're looking for. That juice, you know. Stewed chicken, that's how it spring its own juice. As you can see. You don't need to add any water. Simple. Put the veg inside of it. If you want to add some salt inside of it, you can, but I'm not having the salt in mind because that's the way I eat my food. I don't cook with a lot of salt, guys. So as you can see, how we're cooking this stewed chicken, just lovely and nice. Turn on the flame a little bit, cover it and leave it for another good 10 to 15 minutes. Just now I leave it, when I said I'm gonna make it spring the juice water, I keep stirring it and I give it 10 minutes. So guys, we're almost finished. Nice and lovely. I believe this is finished now. Yes, this is finished. As you can see, this is finished. Lovely and nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Turn off the stove and share it out. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So now I just share it out, guys. Rice and stewed chicken. Enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. And thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you guys, as you can see. Looking lovely and nice. So enjoy it, guys, and thank you so much. And as I said, we have a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. See you next time. Bye bye.